Jesus.
Oh, once Fauna shared this really cursed video. I wonder if you would like it. Once Fauna sent me a video of this lady who was like, so she was making some type of food, and she didn't use any tools except her mouth to make it.
Put it in your mouth, chop it up a bit further, and get it out so we're getting nice, even pieces. There we go.
What the fuck? What?
So she had to mush something, or she had to, you know, take pieces of a carrot, or, you know, she used her mouth.
Whoa, what the heck? That is... How do you flip stuff on the pan then?
Well, she didn't really have to do that.
Oh, okay. That is... Oh my god. That is both cursed, but also I kind of want to see.
I mean, to be honest, okay, this might be gross, but sometimes when I cook, and I'm lazy, I use my mouth too. Sometimes.
Do what?
Let's say I'm making a salad. Sometimes I just have one carrot. Sometimes I just break the carrot off with my mouth.
And you spit it back in?
It doesn't go into my mouth. I just use my teeth and I grab it with my hand.
I'm so confused.
If you're lazy enough.
Doesn't that take even more energy than getting a knife and just going pow pow?
No, because I'm lazy. I don't want to clean the knife.
Oh, I see. Why is
Yeah.
Why is council so cursed? What do you mean?
It's really not weird. What the heck? I swear, everybody overreacts. And you know what? You want to think it's weird. You want to think, oh, so cursed, but it's really not.
It's called hacking the mainframe of life.
It is. It is a life hack.